Hello, dear grade 4. How are you? The last lesson we've talked about the directions. We've talked about this map. We said how Leo goes to his school. He described how can he go to his school. We've listened to Leo, and today we will have a new unit. We have a new unit, which is Unit 6, Lesson 1 of it. The best bit. This is the name of the lesson. And now we will listen to those new words that we have. We will listen to them so we can know them, we can learn them, and we can also know how to pronounce each one of them. And then we will come to this conversation that we have. We will listen to it and explain it. So pay attention and be with me. Let's listen now.
Listening 39. Listen and point.
Break. Repair. Comfortable. Hard. Soft. Expensive. Cheap. Wooden. Metal. Modern.
Okay, we have those new words that we've just listened. We have this one, the first one, which is break. I will explain each one of them in English, so it will be easier for you to understand. We have break. Break means if we broke something. Okay, this is a piece of wood. Okay, this guy or this boy broke it. Okay, we call this a break. Okay, if I come and break this pen like that, I'm breaking it. Okay, repair, if I get to fix it. Okay, just pay attention. Notice he is repairing it. It means that he's fixing it again to be the same as before. Okay, comfortable. We can see this man that he is sitting, on his comfortable chair that he has, and he feels so comfortable. He's relaxing, he's smiling. It means that he is so comfortable while he is sitting on his chair. Hard, it means that something is it's so hard to be broken. Okay, for example, we have this piece of wood. We can say it's so hard. It means that رق. Okay, it's so hard for I cannot break it easily. Okay, we have soft. Our bed, for example, is so soft and comfy, and the cotton of it is so comfortable while we relax on it. And expensive, I want you to notice these two pictures. We have two rings. The first one has a big diamond or rock on it, and this one, it has the small rock or diamond on it. And those rocks and diamonds and jewelries are very expensive. So the big one, of course, as long as it's bigger, it would be more expensive, and this one, as long as it's smaller, it will be less expensive, or it will be cheap. Okay, and here we have wooden. For example, this table is wooden. It means that it's made of wood. Metal, if any of our furniture was made of metal. For example, I have this one, put my sticky notes on it. It's made of what? It's made of metal. This is a metal, and it can be melt. It's not made of wood. Okay, and here we have modern. We have modern and old or ancient. If we had something old, and if we had something new, we call it modern. Okay, and now we will come to listen to this conversation that we have.
Listen and repeat.
break,
Let's repeat, okay?
repair, comfortable, hard, soft, expensive, cheap, wooden, metal, modern,
Now we will come to the conversation.
Listening 40. Listen and read.
My bed broke, Mum. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. It was a very old bed. I know you like your bed, but we'll have to get you a new one.
Okay, before we come to the second part, let me explain the first part for you. Here we have Max with his mom. Okay, they are, discussing about, their, Max's bed. Max says that his bed is broke, and he says he apologized to his mom that it's broke. Look, if you notice here, it's, it gets broke. And his mom said, don't worry, it was a very, old one. So she said to Max that they will, buy a new one for him. Let's see what happens.
This metal one is bigger than your old one.
But my old bed is more comfortable. This one is hard.
Look, Max, this one is softer.
It's okay, but my old bed is better.
Okay, and here his mom and takes Max to the the shops that buys sells furniture things. Here the man that he sells the furniture tells Max that he shows the first bed, and Max says that the bed seems to be so hard. He likes the old one more, and he says that it's more comfortable. And this one, he said that this one is softer than that one, and he also said that he likes his old one. Okay, let's complete.
What about this one? It's a cool spaceship bed. Please, can I have this one?
Sorry, Max, but it's the most expensive bed in the shop. Let's find something less expensive. We can repair old beds if you prefer.
Yes, please, Dad. My old bed is the best of all.
Okay, and it's cheaper than a new bed.
Okay, so suddenly when he is searching for other beds, he found this kind of bed. It's a sheep bed. It looks like a sheep. He likes it, and it's very special. It's written that it is special. He says that it's a cool spaceship. Please, can I have he says, can I have this one? And his dad says, sorry, Max, but this is the most expensive one. This is the most expensive bed, or we can say spaceship bed in their shop. So that's why he says that we cannot buy it. You cannot have it, Max, because it's too expensive. He says, let's find a new one that it could be, or it can be less expensive or cheaper than this one. So the assistant or the seller says, we can repair old beds if you want. And Max felt very happy after the assistant or the seller said that, because as we said, Max loves his bed, and in his opinion his bed is the most comfortable bed. So that's why he felt so happy. and he agreed by repairing his bed. And his dad also said it would be less expensive or cheaper than buying a new one, of course. So in this conversation, we have to learn that if something we have, if it gets breaks, we just don't throw it. Think twice, think again, that you can do it by yourself, you can repair it by yourself again. Or if you didn't know how to do it, you can just take it to the ones or to the shops that repair things. So it would be better for you, and you can also, you know, instead of buying a new furniture, buying a new thing that you want, you can repair yours, and you can also save more money. So this is, you know, a very good idea for your things, or for renewing things. And also it will be, you know, something very good, because like that you can also save the environment and keep it safe and clean as well, right? Do you agree with me? Yes, I can see that you are agreeing with me. So that was all about, you know, today's lesson. Let's come to the workbook. Okay, unit 6, page 42. Here we have this one. This one only is the homework. Only do this one for me and it will be enough. That's it. God willing, we will, you know, meet again by videos, of course, in the next video or in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Take a good care of yourself.